Want to program a transponder key for your 2015-2016 GMC Canyon yourself? Here's the deal. Your Canyon uses a transponder key with a chip that talks to the truck's computer to start the engine. To program a new key, you'll typically need at least one working key. The process involves an ignition cycling sequence. This allows you to replace lost keys or add spares. Make sure your car battery is stable, above 12.6 volts. Insert a programmed key and turn to on run for 10 to 15 minutes. Then turn off, remove key, insert new key, and repeat cycles 3 to 4 times within 10 seconds each. If successful, the vehicle starts. Now let's look at potential problems, tools, and future trends in DIY transponder key programming for the 2015-2016 GMC Canyon. Be aware that DIY attempts can sometimes lead to issues like check engine lights or immobilizer faults, which may require a dealer reset. While inexpensive OBD2 scanners can help, counterfeit key blanks are a risk. As for the future, expect a shift towards smartphone-based keys, reducing the need for DIY pairing. For older Canyons, hybrid solutions like RFID stickers are emerging, but adoption is slow. DIY key programming may become less accessible. By 2030, predictive maintenance apps may automate key pairing, but for 2015 Canyons, DIY will remain viable with proper precautions.